This is the house, the home, and the palace of termites, the weakest animals or creatures created by God. The kind of architectural work over here cannot be compared to any building of the human mind. The number of chambers in this small ant hill, the number of rooms, the number of sitting halls are more than you can find in any building in the world. They have created this for themselves. And this is where they live for the rest of their lives. No building has more rooms than this ant hill. How did it come about? It came about out of unity of purpose, togetherness, understanding of one another, learning to forgive, learning to build together, learning to live in peace, learning to be one in mind, one in heart, and one in soul. And if this is what creatures are able to do, what of us human beings? May God help you as you watch this video to be united with people around you so that we build a better world for our younger generations. Amen.